Hey guys, we are here to do the Thursday STAR warm-up question. So go ahead and make sure you have your pencil and your paper, and we are going to get started. Okay, the question says, the expanded notation of a number is shown. 9 times 10,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 1 times 10. What is the standard form of this number? Okay, so this question might look a little confusing, but when you hear that standard form section, that tells us that this is a place value question, which means we are going to be using our place value chart. Okay, and that's going to help us answer our question, and it's going to make it way less confusing. Okay, so let's start up here with the first section. 9 times 10,000. So that 10,000 part tells us that our first digit is going to go in the 10,000s place. Okay? And since it's 9 times 10,000, we know that a 9 is going to go in the 10,000s place. Okay? 4 times 100. So now we're looking at the hundreds place. And we know a 4 is going to go in the hundreds place. And last we have 1 times 10, which means a 1 is going to go in the tens place. Now, we need to remember we have blanks here. We've been talking about this all week. I want you to pause and think about what's going to go in those blanks. In these blanks, whenever there is a blank spot on your place value chart, you are going to put zeros. Okay? Which gives us the number 90,410. I want you to pause the video here, look at the number we created, look at your answer choices, and figure out what is the correct answer. Go ahead and pause here, and when you think you have the answer, press play. The answer to our question matches our place value. 90,410, 90,410. If you got the answer D, great job. If you didn't, maybe go back and watch the video again so you could see maybe where you went wrong. Alright guys, go ahead and exit out of this video and click the next button at the bottom of your screen.